Do ancient pewter plates contain lead? Have you ever wondered what ancient pewter plates were made of? Today, we are going to look at a fascinating aspect of these artifacts, the presence of lead. Ancient pewter plates often contained lead, especially in earlier periods. Pewter is a metal alloy that primarily combines tin with other metals. In ancient times, lead was a common additive. It helped lower production costs and made the alloy easier to work with. The higher lead content in older pewter made these plates heavier and more prone to tarnishing. This tarnishing results in a darker oxidation layer that can be seen on many ancient pewter artifacts. From an archaeological perspective, finding lead in pewter plates can help date these items and provide clues about trade practices of the time. Different regions had their own methods for creating pewter. Some cultures focused on keeping their tin as pure as possible, while others used lead-heavy mixtures. The lead-rich pewter was more susceptible to corrosion, which left behind distinct patinas. These patinas can help archaeologists identify authentic artifacts from the past. Modern analysis techniques, such as X-ray fluorescence, allow researchers to detect lead concentrations in ancient pewter without damaging the artifacts. These studies show that lead use in pewter was widespread before the health risks associated with lead were fully understood. Archaeologists advise against using lead-containing artifacts for food contact. The oxidation process can release toxic compounds that are harmful to health. For archaeologists, understanding the presence of lead in pewter is important for conservation efforts. They must stabilize corroded surfaces without damaging the original material. Knowing the composition of these alloys also helps tell the story of craftsmanship and resource availability in ancient societies. It is also important to clarify some terminology. Pewter refers to tin-based alloys, while Britannia metal is a specific lead-free variant that was developed later. The shift away from lead in pewter production reflects changing safety standards over time. However, ancient examples remain as essential for studying the history of metallurgy. So, to answer the question, yes, ancient pewter plates frequently contained lead. This fact is supported by material analysis and historical records. Understanding this characteristic is important for both conservation practices and interpretations of past technological choices.